In today's fast-paced world, staying healthy is more important than ever. Among the many natural remedies available, ginger lemon tea stands out as a powerful, refreshing drink with multiple health benefits. This tea is not only easy to make, but also a delicious way to boost your immune system, improve digestion, and start your day with energy. In this article, we will explore all aspects of ginger lemon, giving you a comprehensive understanding of its value. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Kalp for more wellness tips. Who benefits the most? Ginger lemon tea is a versatile beverage that almost anyone can benefit from. However, certain individuals may find it particularly helpful. Health enthusiasts, people who prioritize wellness, will appreciate its detoxifying and immune-boosting properties. Those with digestive issues, ginger is known to soothe the digestive system, making this tea perfect for individuals suffering from indigestion, bloating, or nausea. Immune-compromised individuals, the vitamin C in lemon combined with ginger's anti-inflammatory properties helps boost immunity. People looking to lose weight, the tea can aid in weight loss by improving metabolism and curbing appetite. Cold and flu patients, its soothing properties help alleviate sore throats and congestion. While beneficial for most, pregnant women or individuals with specific medical conditions should consult a doctor before regular consumption, as ginger may cause adverse reactions in some cases. What are the ingredients and health benefits? Ingredients: fresh ginger root, 1 to 2 inches, 1 lemon, honey, optional for sweetness, and 2 cups of water. Nutritional breakdown: ginger contains gingerol, an active compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It improves digestion, reduces nausea, and fights respiratory issues. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, helping to boost immunity, support skin health, and enhance hydration. Honey is a natural sweetener with antibacterial and antioxidant properties that can help soothe the throat and fight infections. Health benefits: boosts immunity. The combination of ginger and lemon offers a strong defense against colds and flu. Promotes weight loss. The tea helps to boost metabolism and curb appetite, making it a great addition to weight loss regimes. Aids digestion. Ginger soothes the digestive system, while lemon aids in the production of bile, improving digestion. Detoxifies the body. Both ginger and lemon help flush out toxins, supporting liver health. Improves skin health. Vitamin C from lemons aids in collagen production, improving skin elasticity and reducing wrinkles. Soothes sore throats. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger help to soothe sore throats and reduce congestion. Optimal times for consumption. Morning: drinking ginger lemon tea. First thing in the morning is ideal. It helps kickstart digestion and boost metabolism, making it a perfect start to your day. Before meals, consuming it 15 to 30 minutes before meals can enhance digestion by preparing your stomach for the food. During cold and flu season, this tea works wonders when consumed during colder months or flu season, as it strengthens immunity and fights common illnesses. Post-exercise. After a workout, ginger lemon tea helps rehydrate your body and replenishes lost electrolytes. Before bed, in small amounts. If you're suffering from indigestion or nausea at night, a small cup before bed can be soothing. Remember to stay tuned for more tips like this. Like and subscribe to Kalp for updates on natural remedies and healthy lifestyle hacks. One of the best things about ginger lemon tea is its simplicity. You can make and enjoy this tea anywhere as long as you have access to fresh ingredients and hot water. At home, you can prepare it in the comfort of your kitchen and enjoy it during breakfast or throughout the day. At work, ginger lemon tea is a great alternative to coffee. You can easily make it at the office, providing a refreshing and healthy option to stay energized. On the go, whether you are traveling, camping, or on a road trip, this tea can be easily prepared in a thermos or portable cup to keep you refreshed and hydrated. At social gatherings, ginger lemon tea can also be a great non-alcoholic beverage option to serve at parties, gatherings, or dinners with friends and family. No matter where you are, you can always enjoy this rejuvenating drink to keep yourself healthy and hydrated. Why choose ginger lemon tea over other beverages? Well, for starters, it's a natural detoxifier. Unlike sugary drinks or sodas, ginger lemon tea helps flush out harmful toxins from the body, improving overall health. It's also rich in antioxidants. Both ginger and lemon are packed with antioxidants, which help reduce oxidative stress and improve cell health, potentially preventing chronic diseases. Plus, it offers immune support. The combination of ginger's anti-inflammatory properties and lemon's high vitamin C content makes this tea an immune-boosting powerhouse. If you're on a weight loss journey, ginger lemon tea can act as a supportive agent by improving metabolism, aiding in fat breakdown, and reducing cravings. It even improves mental clarity. Lemon is known to improve focus and alertness, while ginger has been linked to improved brain function due to its anti-inflammatory effects. And let's not forget, it enhances mood. The citrusy and spicy aroma of ginger lemon tea has been found to uplift mood, reduce stress, and promote mental relaxation. Choosing ginger lemon tea over sugary drinks or artificial beverages ensures you are putting natural, beneficial ingredients into your body. Here's a step-by-step guide to prepare it at home. For the ingredients, you'll need 1 to 2 inches of fresh ginger root, 1 lemon, sliced or juiced, 2 cups of water, and honey or maple syrup if you like it sweet. First, prepare the ginger. Start by peeling the ginger root and slicing it into thin pieces. You can also grate it for a stronger flavor. Next, boil the water. Bring 2 cups of water to a boil in a pot. Once the water is boiling, add the ginger slices and reduce the heat. Let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the ginger to infuse. After the ginger has steeped, remove the pot from heat and add fresh lemon juice or lemon slices. Let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. If you prefer your tea a bit sweet, add a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup. Finally, strain the tea into a cup and enjoy your refreshing and health-boosting ginger lemon tea. You can also experiment by adding mint leaves, cinnamon, or turmeric to customize the tea according to your taste and health needs. Ginger lemon tea is a simple yet incredibly powerful beverage that offers a wide range of health benefits. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, improve digestion, or just enjoy a soothing, refreshing drink, this tea is the perfect choice. It's easy to make and can be enjoyed at any time of the day, wherever you are. Don't miss out on more tips like this. Be sure to like and subscribe to Kalp for the latest in health, wellness, and natural remedies.